So when you have done your foundation forward pass and you have all your stitches on your Tunisian hook, you want to do a standard return. And it's called standard because it's mostly the same when we work Tunisian crochet. So what you do is you yarn over and you pull through the first loop on your hook. There it is. Then you yarn over again and you pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 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 yarn over, and through the last 2 loops on the hook. And there you have your foundation forward pass and your standard return pass.